Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Syafiq Basmala. I'm from Asia University. I'm from BICT at Asia University. So in this video, I will share my step in writing section in writing my essay in my assignment. So for the first step, I searched on the internet about the work related stress, and after I found it, I sort out the content of what I found on the internet, and after that I would include it in my essay using direct citation or apostyle or appositation. And next is the second point. And the way I structure this essay is, of course, I start with an opening with the causes of stress in general, and then I continue with the points that are more specific to work-related stress in my opinion. And of course, my opinion also supported by several sources that I found on the internet, and which the last one is certainly makes a conclusion in my view, from my point of view. And next is third point. Actually, I use several sources, but I'm just including these three sources in this video. Like I use www.betterhealth.fic.gov.au. The title is work-related stress, and the second source is online.csp.edu. The title is work stress cause, symptoms and solution, and the third is springhealth.com. The title is workplace discrimination and depression. I use that three sources that I think good for my essay. By using these three sources, for me maybe it can make me easier for me to write essay with point that appear to be on the website, article or journal. These three sources can be seen on internet, which may increase knowledge about stress in the workplace. And next is the fourth point. So in my first paragraph, I use source from www.betterhealth.fic.gov.au, which is owned by Australian Department of Health and Human Service. I use that website to explain the important point, namely what are the causes of related stress. And next is the eighth paragraph. I use source from springhealth.com to strengthen my personal statement about the danger of discrimination in the work environment, which can have an impact on the psychological well-being of the worker. So the last point or fifth point, in my opinion, including appositation and reference in accordance with the current style is the most difficult part due to my lack of experience, and this is the most difficult task. Next, I have to decide what I want to discuss in the essay by reading it through from start to finish, since I have to learn Indonesian because of this challenge. I also find it challenging when website, article and journal are written in any other language than Indonesian. It takes me a while to understand what they have to say. Next is, since I typically only consult one or two source, I search for the website, article or journal that I require. Determine first if they are usable or not.